Functions lecture 10.
Hi, hello everyone. Today we will discuss the new concept even extension and odd extension. So even extension means let f of x be any function and it is defined on the interval 0 comma a, and f of minus x is, so that is defined on the interval minus a comma 0. So then the even extension defined as f e of x. So e means even is equals to f of x. So here x belongs to closed interval 0 comma e. Now what is f of minus x? So clearly f of minus x, this is equals to f of minus x, and it is defined on the interval x belongs to minus a comma 0. So this is the extension of a given function. So clearly this is the even extension. So for example, f of x is equal to mod x. F of x is equal to mod x. So here x belongs to closed interval 0 comma infinity. So this is the given function f of x. Now draw the graph of this function. See here. So consider the both x and y axis. Now x values are what? Closed intervals 0 to infinity. For example, if you put x is equals to 0, then it becomes 0. So this is 1, 2. Here 1, 2. Now at x is equals to 1, what is the f of x value? 1. At x is equals to 2, what is the f of x value? 2. So this is the graph of given function when x belongs to closed interval 0 to infinity. Now what is f of minus x? See here, f of minus x is mod x. Now it is defined on the interval x belongs to minus infinity comma 0. See here, at x is equal to minus 1, what you get? Plus 1 only. At x is equal to minus 2, you get 2 only. So therefore this is the extension of this function. So clearly this is what? Even extension. Why? Because f of minus x is equal to f of x, but here interval is extended from closed interval 0 to infinity to minus infinity to 0. So clearly this is the even extension, and even extension graph is always symmetrical about which axis? Y axis. So this is the definition of even extension. And odd extension. So here f of x is defined on the interval, closed interval 0 comma a. Then odd extension is defined as f odd of x is equals to f of x. Here x belongs to closed interval 0 comma a. Then what is f of minus x in odd function? Minus f of x. So that is minus f of minus x. In this, x belongs to minus a comma 0. So this is the odd extension. So see the example. Let f of x is the given function, that is e power x plus sin x, and it is defined on the interval minus 4 comma 0. And find odd and even extensions. See here. So given function is what? F of x is equal to e power x plus sin x. So this is the given function, and x belongs to what? Minus 4 comma 0. So that is minus 4 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. So x values lies between minus 4 to 0. Now what is the odd and even extension? See here, f even of x. How to write? F of minus x. So this is the even function. Now what you get? E power minus x and sine of minus x is minus sin x. And here x values are 0 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 4. So clearly this is the even extension and odd extension. So what is odd function? F of minus x is what? Minus f of x. So clearly this can be written as minus of f of minus x. So this is odd function. Now minus of, what is f of minus x? E power minus x minus sin x. So here also 0 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 4. So that is what? Minus e power minus x plus sin x. So here x belongs to closed interval 0, 4. So this is odd extension and this is even extension. So now we will discuss few problems. See here, if the real valued function f of x is what? A power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1 is even, means f of minus x is equal to f of x. So then value of n. Okay. So see the solution. So f of x is equal a power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1. But here this function is even. So write is even function. Now definition of even function is what? F of minus x is equals to f of x a power minus x minus 1 by minus x whole to the power of n a power minus x plus 1 is equals to f of x, that is a power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1. So this can be written as 1 minus a power x, so divide by minus 1 to the power of n into x to the power of n and 1 plus a power x is equals to what? A power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1. Now this can be written as minus is common, you get a power x minus 1 by minus 1 power n into x power n into 1 plus e power x is equals to a power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1. So clearly this term should be cancelled. Now this is minus 1 by minus 1 to the power of n. This value is what? 1. So whenever this value is equals to 1, if denominator is minus 1, in this case you get 1. So clearly n is equals to 1. So what you get? Minus 1 by minus 1, 1. But options are 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 4, 3. So it is not there. If n is equal to 3, minus 1 by minus 1 power 3. So clear it is 1. So therefore option 4. See our next question. If f is even function on the interval, depend on the interval minus 5 comma 5 and find the total number of real values of x. So satisfying this equation. See here, solution f of x is even, means f of minus x is equals to what? F of x. See here, f of minus x. So replace x by minus x. So what you get? F of minus x plus 1 by minus x plus 2 is equals to f of x. So this is one condition. And another condition, f of minus x is equals to what? F of x. So that is f of minus x is equals to f of x plus 1 by x plus 2. So these are the two possibilities. Now equating this, minus x plus 1 by minus x plus 2 is equals to x. See here, minus x is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now this is minus x plus 1. This is minus x square plus 2x. So clearly this is x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. So clearly here you get two values of x. And here minus x square minus 2x is equal to x plus 1. This is x square plus 3x plus 1. So here also you get two values of x. Therefore number of values of x are 4. So option. See here next question. So let the function f of x is defined on closed interval 0, 1. Then find the even extension in the interval minus 1, 1. See our third solution. So given function is f of x is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 8 log of 1 plus mod x. Okay. So this is defined on the interval x belongs to closed interval 0, 1. Okay. Now find even extension. So you know that f of x is what? F of minus x. So that is equals to, so replace x by minus x. So what you get? 3x square plus 4x plus 8 log of what? 1 plus mod of minus x is mod x. Here x belongs to what? Minus 1, 0. So this is the even extension over the interval minus 1, 0. But here you want to find even extension in the interval minus 1, 1. So that is clearly here negative of x, here positive of x. So this can be written as mod x. So therefore f e of x is what? 3x square minus 4 into mod x plus 8 log 1 plus mod x over the interval x belongs to minus 1 to 1. See here, for minus 1 to 0 it gets positive, for 0 to 1 it gets negative. So clearly write as mod x. So this is the even extension over the interval minus 1, 1. So see the next question. F from R to R is a function satisfying f of 2x plus 3 plus f of 2x plus 7 is 2. Then find period of f of x. So given f of 2x plus 3 plus f of 2x plus 7 is equal to what? 2 for all x belongs to 1. Now we are replace x by x plus 2. So what you get? F of 2x 4 plus 3 7, and here f of 2x 4 plus 7 11. So is equals to 2. Now solving these two equations, so what you get? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. CR 1 minus 2. So this should be get cancelled. Now we get f of 2x plus 3 minus f of 2x plus 11 is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore this can be written as f of 2x plus 3 is equal to how much? F of 2x plus 3 plus 8. So clearly period of this function is what? 8. Therefore period of f of 2x is what? 8. This is the period of f of 2x. But here you want to find period of f of x. So clearly period of f of x is what? 4 only, no? 8 by 2, that is 4. This is the period of the given function. So see the next question. F of x is equals to given sine of square root of step n x. Now period of that function is 2 pi. Then value of n or interval of n. So see here, period of f of x is 2 pi. So that is 2 pi by period of this function 2 pi by square root of step n is equals to 2 pi. Now 2 pi get cancelled. What you get? Square root of step n. So this value is how much? 1. So whenever this value is 1, for example n is equal to 0. So what is the value of root 0 is 0. So this is not possible. For example n is equals to 1. So root 1 equals to 1. 1 is possible. So for example n is equals to 1.5. 1 it is possible. 1.9. Step of 1.9, 1, it is also possible. For n is equals to 2, not possible. So therefore, values of n is what? 1 is less than or equal to n is less than 2. Okay. So first option. So see the next question. The largest interval lying in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 for which the function is defined. So means you want to find a domain of f of x. See here question number 6. So given f of x is what? 4 power minus x square plus cos inverse x by 2 minus 1 plus log of cos x. So clearly for every value of x, it is defined. So here domain of this function is x belongs to R. And for this function, it is defined for minus 1 is less than or equal to x by 2 minus 1 is less than or equals to. Now this is 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or x by 2 is less than or equals to. Now this is 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4. So this is the domain of this function. And log cos x, it is in the form of log f of x. So you know that f of x is greater than 0. So that is cos x is greater than 0. So means cos x is positive. So where it is positive? First and fourth quadrant. So therefore x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the domain of this function. Now take intersection of all these three. Because of domain of f plus g plus h is domain of f, intersection domain of g, intersection domain of h. So what is the intersection part of these three? So clearly domain is closed interval 0 comma open pi by 2. This is the domain of given function. Next see the 7th question. So find the domain of the function. See here log 2, log 3, log 4x. Okay. Now it is in the form of log f of x. So clearly f of x is greater than 0. So that is log 3, log 4 x. It is greater than 0. Now again it is log x base 4 is greater than 3 power 0 is 1. So clearly it is x greater than 4 power 1 is 4. Therefore x belongs to 4 comma infinity. This is the domain of given function. Now question number 8. Here also find domain. So you know that sin inverse x domain is minus 1 to 1. So therefore it lies between minus 1 is less than or equal to log x square base 16 is less than or equal to 1. Now this is what? 16 power minus 1, that is 1 by 16 is less than or equal to x square is less than or equal to 16. So here two possibilities. One is 1 by 6 is less than or equal to x square. X square is less than or equal to 16. Now this is x plus 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now this is x plus 4 into x minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. So clearly here x belongs to closed interval minus 4 comma 4. And here x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 by 4 union here 1 by 4 comma infinity. So clearly from these two conditions x belongs to minus 1 by 4 comma minus 4 union 1 by 4 comma 4. This is the domain of a given function. So here f of x and g of x are given. Find domain of f plus g. So means you want to find domain of f and domain of g and take intersection of two domains. Here, so given domain of f of x. So what? X belongs to minus 1 comma 1. It is given. Now you want to find domain of g of x. So clearly root values are always greater than or equal to 0. That is 3 plus 4x minus 4x square. It is greater than or equal to 0. And from this 4x square minus 4x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. Now, what are the factors here? 4x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. Now here 2x is common, you get 2x plus 1. Here minus 3 is common, you get 2x plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Again this is 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. This is x minus of minus 1 by 2, x minus 3 by 2 less than or equal to 0. So therefore x belongs to closed interval minus 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. So this is the domain of g of x. So domain of g of x. Now find domain of f plus g. So domain of f plus g is domain of f intersection domain of g. So what is domain of f? Minus 1 to 1. So minus 1 to 1 intersection minus 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. So what is the intersection part of these two? Minus 1 by 2 comma open 1. So this is the domain of f plus g. So see the next question. So find the domain of this function. So you know that root values are always greater than or equal to 0. So that is x into 1 minus e power x x plus 2 and x minus 3 whole square. It is always greater than or equals to 0. Now draw the real line and locate the points that are 0 and 1 and minus 2 and 3. If you substitute above 3, this is positive and this is positive, but this is negative. If you substitute above 3, this expression gets negative sign. Between 1 and 3, for example, x is equals to 2, positive, 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 this is negative. Between 0 to 1, for example 0.5, positive, 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 but this is negative. Between minus 2 to 0, for example minus 1, minus 1 is negative, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, again you get negative sign. And below minus 2, for example minus 3, negative, positive, negative, outcome positive. But this expression is what? Positive. Where it is positive? Below minus 2. So therefore x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma minus 2. But here equal to 0 also there. Where it is equals to 0? 0. At x is equal to 0, it is 0. And at x is equals to 1, it becomes 0 or not? No. At x is equals to minus 2, it becomes 0. So write here closed bracket. At x is equal to 3 also 0. So union 0 comma 3. So this is the domain of a given function. So see the next question. Range of x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. See here, what is the domain of that function? So clearly domain is R. For every value of x it is defined. But what is the range? If x is equal to 0, then 1 is the minimum value. If x is equals to 1, 1 plus 1 by 2, so more than 1. If x is equals to 2, more than 1. So clearly range of this function is a closed interval 1 to infinity. Okay. Now next one, f of x is given and f of minus 7 is 7, then the range of f of 7 plus 17 cos x. Okay. So 12th solution, f of x is equal to ax to the power of 7 plus bx cube plus cx minus 5. And f of minus 7 is what? 7. Then find the range of this. So here f of minus x plus f of x. So here what you get? Minus ax power 7 minus bx cube minus cx minus 5 plus ax power 7 plus bx cube plus cx minus 5. This all terms should be cancelled. So what you get? Minus 10. So therefore f of minus 7 plus f of 7 value is minus 10. Okay. Now from this, what is f of 7 value? Minus 10 minus f of minus 7, that is minus 7. So you get minus 17. So therefore f of 7 plus 17 cos x. So minus 17 plus 17 cos x. So you know that range of cos x is minus 1 to 1. If you substitute minus 1, what you get? Minus 17 minus 17, minus 34. So that is the minimum value. If you substitute 1, minus 17 plus 17, 0. So this is the range of given function, that is minus 34 comma 0. So see the next question. F of x is 2x cube plus 2x square plus 300x plus 5 sin x. Then f is what? See here, for this we want to find f dash of x. If f dash of x is greater than 0, that is strictly increasing. Every strictly increasing or strictly decreasing function is what? 1, 1. So therefore f dash x is 6x square plus 4x plus 300 plus 5 cos x. 2 into 3x square plus 2x. Now this can be written as 294 plus 6 plus 5 cos x. Now again this is 2 into 3x square plus 2x, 294, that is 147. Now this is 6 plus 5 cos x. See here, this is 6 plus 5 cos x. So what is the range of cos x? Minus 1 to 1. If you substitute minus 1, 6 minus 5 positive. If you substitute 1, 6 plus 5 is positive. So clearly this is always greater than 0. Now this value. So clearly coefficient of x square is positive. And find here delta. So what is delta? B square minus 4ac. 4 minus 4 into 3 into this one. So clearly it is less than 0. So in this case, graph represents upward parabola and does not touch as the x-axis. So like this. So clearly for every value of x, this function is positive. So clearly this is also greater than 0. Now clearly f dash x is what? Greater than 0. So this is strictly increasing function. If a given function is strictly increasing, so in that case f is 1, 1. So therefore f is strictly increasing. So therefore f is 1, 1. And on to, see here f from R to R. So here codomain is R and find range. Range is equals to codomain f is on 2. Therefore f is 1, 1 and on 2. So see the first option. See here f of x plus 2 into f of 1 by x is 3x. And f of x equals to f of minus x, then the value of x. See here, this is even function, and f of x plus 2 f of 1 by x is what? Given, that is 3x. Now x replace 1 by x. So what you get? F of 1 by x plus 2 f of x is equal to 3 by x. Now multiplying 2 with this, you get 2 f of 1 by x plus 4 f of x is equal to 6 by x. And write this equation as it is. So that is 2 f of 1 by x plus f of x is equal to 3x. So clearly these two get be cancelled. 4 f of x minus f of x, 3 f of x. So 6 by x minus 3x. F of x is equal to 2 by x minus x. Now given f of x is equal to f of minus x. So here f of x is equal to f of minus x. So that is 2 by x minus x is equal to minus 2 by x plus x. Now this is 2 by x plus 2 by x. 4 by x is equal to 2x. Now this is what? X square is equals to 2. So you get x is equals to plus or minus 2. So clearly values of s are, so total number of values of s is 2. So for next session we will discuss the proofs in mathematics.